Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Negative number 8, that is about positive number 1 and negative number 9. Next, this one that is about identities, so I will put s minus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 equals to number 3 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 9 secant of t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify by the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one we have number 9 secant of t square. So number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. And this one that is about tan t square. So the square root of number 9 tan t square, we have number 3 tan t. Later that we need to simplify number 3 tan t. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by number 3, and later that we can find the value of t, that is about a secant of this number in here. So I will put this one gone here and here. Secant with our secant we simplify, and we have s minus 1 over number 3, and this is the final answer.